Welcome back to our channel. This is our gonna be our sixth video. But instead of today, we're not gonna be reacting to a video. I'm gonna get Dylan's reaction of what I just got for us in our channel and what he thinks of it. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be really good.
Yeah. All right. So this is gonna be like an unboxing of a new thing for our channel, like better quality, right?
Not quality.
Well, sound quality.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we forgot to introduce ourselves. I'm Ian, aka Panda. This is my son.
You doing?
You keep looking at me. Look at the camera. All right. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you what I just got for us, and let's see what Dylan thinks of it. Okay. So this is it right here. Boom. Oops, those backwards. The Quadcast asks standalone USB microphone. So hopefully this is gonna make our sound quality better, and it won't be all laggy and like delayed. So all right. So do you want to open this, Dylan?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay.
Just don't break it. Hang it up. Show them that you're opening it.
I hate these. It's not a real knife. Yeah, okay. No, it doesn't work.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Well, so comes with whatever this is.
Look, these
We got little posters about the.
Look, there's instructions.
Okay. Instructions. Wow.
Hold on. Don't read it.
All right. So first impressions. The box is pretty cool, right?
I'm gonna keep this behind me.
Yes.
Let me open it.
Ready?
Okay.
Where
It's
is
the
it?
face. Alright, three. Hold this up. Ready?
Good.
3, 2, 1. Oh, open it.
This is it.
Is it safe?
There you go. Okay. Wow. That's huge. Wait, hold on. What? Wow. Okay, look at this. Comes with its own stand. Okay, yeah, this is actually worth it. This was actually like $150 at Best Buy. $152 at Best Buy. I didn't want to wait for Amazon and wait a couple days. So we just went out and got it at Best Buy. And let's see. What is this? Don't lose this.
This is probably
Show them this. All right, so it's not plugged in yet. But it has different colors and damn, this looks actually pretty damn cool. I like how it looks. You like how it looks?
Yeah.
We can have it like this. Or like this. No, not this. We just have to figure out how we're gonna mess this up. We're probably gonna have a new table and everything and have like a whole set up for just doing the reaction. Yeah, we're trying to set up right now. We'll just plug it in and see how it looks. This is actually sick. For my first actual mic for something like this. Like I have this one for my DSLR. But it's not as cool. As this. This is probably like 40.
This is an LED one. Show them.
It comes with a cord or a charging cord, whatever this is. Yeah, so it plugs into the USB.
I think it's like a charging.
Yeah. Alright, so this the plug here in the back. Oh, and it has connections for headphones in the back. Alright, watch out. Oh, look at that. Hey, let's turn off the light.
We can't hear ourselves again.
Huh?
We can't hear ourselves in the video.
Let me turn it on now.
Let's go to the settings.
No, don't remove it. There, it should be working now.
But we can't hear anything. So let's try and play a video.
Hello? Hello?
We're gonna try.
No, don't play a video yet because we gotta figure out how to make this work.
We gotta see if audio's working.
Yeah, here, let's put this here. We read the instructions really quick. How many monkeys does it take to set up a mic?
I'm gonna try and play video.
It's not gonna record anything.
I know, I'm just trying to play a video. I wanna see it. I'm gonna go to the YouTube thing.
Polar pattern knob, headphone jack, USB-C port, adapter. No, we have to look at the. Go back to this. Okay. So we have to make sure that this is connected. You have to connect this number to the HyperX. So we gotta find that when you go into there. So we're still trying to do this. Just gonna figure out how to install it. You can't even hear me. There.
Wait, is it working now?
Go back.
So-
Hello. There you go.
Hello. Hello.
Hold on.
The lights turned off.
It unplugged, Dylan.
Oh. No, it didn't.
What happened?
Restart.
Hold on, what happened?
There.
Is it working? Hello?
This thing is working.
Why isn't it reading it?
Oh.
Go to audio. Okay.
I'm gonna go into settings.
Click that.
Why? It's on audio. It's on audio.
Alright, go get out of there.
Wait.
I need to get out of here so I can see this. Where's the... How do you see this again? Where you can see the... There you go. Hello? 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 I think it's... That's too much audio. There you go.
This is our volume.
Hello? Oh, look, there, it's working. I think it's working.
But we can't hear what's happening there.
I don't know. Okay, I think it's working because we're reading it through our audio output capture. This is weird. That's just the game. That's just to make it louder, Dylan.
Put it on max.
Dylan, it's fine. I already have it set.
How does it work?
Alright, so overall quality, I think it looks cool. I like how it has the different colors. You like how it has different colors?
Yeah.
Just gotta figure out how to make this work properly. Oh, I don't think it's working properly because it's reading the audio output capture. I think I probably said that already, but it's first time trying to use this, so bear with us. Microphone check. It's working. Microphone check. All right. So we're gonna have this here. Like this.
You need to read the directions.
There you go. Oh, look at that. That looks so cool. Wait, let's turn off the light. Turn off the light.
Wait, we need to connect it to headphones.
Hold on.
Wait, we need to connect it to
Whoa,
headphones.
look at that. Whoa, look at the colors.
Dad,
Whoa, look at that.
I'm gonna try and connect it to headphones. Turn it back on.
Oh, right. Why are you connecting it to headphones?
Because this is what it said to do on the thing. So,
Can you hear yourself?
yeah.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So you see, I should have bought headphones for myself too. Now I won't be able to do it without headphones, and I can't hear.
This is the only way I can hear.
So I need to have my own headphones too. Well,
I don't
okay,
know how
so
you're gonna connect it, though.
I just gotta buy another thing for another dual out connection thing for headphones.
Okay.
I think.
We need like.
Still gotta figure this stuff out, but this is actually pretty fun trying to figure it out. But you're for sure you can hear it.
Yes.
You can hear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
It does work.
It does work?
Yeah, it works.
Alright. Yeah, so we're eventually gonna set up this another table, and we're gonna have probably have another webcam, or a new webcam, I'm sorry. And then this is gonna be right in the middle, and we're just gonna have this is a cool setup. What do you think of what we should do?
We can set up the table.
Well, we can't set it up now, but yeah, we have a lot of time still to do this, but we're just excited to have a new mic and to have better audio quality. Well, I'm hoping there's going to be better audio quality. I had so many recommendations on Amazon, but I didn't want to wait. So we got this brand new. That's cool. Alright, well, this is just a little short unboxing of us getting a new mic for our YouTube channel. And hope you guys like it. Dylan likes it, right?
Yeah.
You like the different colors?
Yes.
You don't need to talk like that. You stand like you go like this. That's why we have the mic now.
Yes.
Alright. So this is just a short review of our mic. Yeah, we're still having some minor problems. Just trying to figure it out through this the OBS system. We're still learning how to do this too. This is all new to us still, even though we're 6 videos in. But we're gonna keep trying to just get better. Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in and just watching us unbox our new microphone. Alright, say goodbye, Dylan.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. How many subs? I just wanted to say, how many subs do we have now?
It's probably still 10.
No, I think we gained 2 more subs.
Did we?
Let's check really quick before we end the video.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we got 12 subs now. Thank you to our new subscribers. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate you guys.
We seriously do.
Yeah, so then we're going to be making another video soon, and we're going to be setting up the mic, and it's going to be a lot cooler. Alright, well, thank you guys for tuning in again. You guys have a good night, and we will see you soon. Bye. Bye.